Hey guys, Dr. Dapko here. So if you are struggling with getting data into your Google Data Studio, I want to offer a tip for you. If you tried importing your Excel file, a couple reasons why that wouldn't work. But I'm going to give you just a very simple way that you can do this, and it should work without problems. So first of all, I am in the project data set. So I'm just going to grab the raw data set. I'm going to copy it. And over here, I'm going to open up a blank Google Sheet. Okay, and I'm going to paste it into the Google Sheet. Now be patient. It may take a minute or so. It's a big file. So just hang in there, be patient. We want to wait. And continue waiting. It will work. And keep waiting. Be patient. Don't panic. All right, so I had to hit the wait button a couple times, but you can see that it did pull in. All right, so once I've got this, I'm just going to label it whatever you want to label that. It's really up to you. So now that I've got it saved in my account, I want to go to, you see here, I'm at datastudio.google.com, and see here, if you have reports already, it's going to show up in your list, but you want to click on data sources. All right, and this is where ultimately your data source is going to end up being. But we want to do a create over here, create a data source, and click on Google Sheets. And you should see it here, right? So let's refresh. And here we go, recording for class of GDS Spring. I'm gonna click on that. I do have headers in my first row, and I don't need to include hidden or filtered cells. And then once you have that, you just click connect. And just be patient with it. All right, and so this is where you're going to find the variables here in your sheet, right, that you pulled in. So it's going to ask you, or you should at least take a look and see if the variables are matching the type of variable that Google has assigned to it, whether it's a text or number. All right, but let's say that that's already done. We can create a report. Add report. Okay, and that's it. So that's how you actually create your first report. So you can see your variables over here. You can add a chart here for your labels. You can do that here with your text. So there you go. What I'll be looking for is to make sure that you've got your 3 charts. Just try 3 charts, make sure they make sense, make sure they're labeled. And then also you'll have to make sure that I have access to that report, right? So the way that we're going to do that is making sure that we have the sharing set appropriately. So if you go to share, manage access, and you see this right here, you want to make sure that you click that to anyone on the internet can find and view, okay? Or anyone on the internet can find and edit, all right? And just make sure that you save that. And then if I were to go back to Data Studio, I want to click on the data sources. Recording for class of GDS, okay, that's the data source. and click on share here as well. So you have to do this in 2 spots. Share, manage access, and then click to anyone on the internet can find and edit. All right, and then save. So once you do those 2 things, you can go back into your report and then just grab the link. All right, and share that, and you'll be putting the link in your discussion forum. All right, so good luck, and I look forward to seeing your creations here.